Okay, the buttons are there and everything.
Okay.
It's
Let's
hard
go.
being me, Willow. It's hard being me.
Oh, yeah. Really, we defeat this so quickly, I don't think we needed the help.
Birds always come in at the last second. Willow, look. It's a Dynatone!
Well, now it's gonna be a dead Dynatone. Oh. I'll have to stop here in a second.
What do you mean?
Send a message.
Oh, okay. Just tell me when.
You go on ahead.
Wait, where do you want me to meet you? That helicopter's purple. There's always
Now
a
it-
purple helicopter now, and it has purple bubbles coming off.
I think I poisoned it or something. They weren't both purple like that a minute ago.
Well, that's good.
Which doesn't make sense because how can a helicopter be poisoned?
Because this is... I don't know. How can a steamroller die like an animal?
It wants to.
See? Go! See, it just died in front of me like an animal. Dead. Dynadomes! Strike! Ah, fuck, I missed the steamroller. Oh,
I got it.
oh, okay, I was about to say, look.
I was just far, far away.
Alright, let's see if I can do this part without failing. I did it! Hey, hey, Train, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Well,
No.
do you think one of these days we'll be able to kill it, without the things spawning?
Well, that's what I'm trying.
I think that's possible before the party arrives.
Oh, nope. Nope. Tanks have already spawned.
Well, I think we broke the tail already. That's a plus. And it's already pissed. See? That's a double plus. Maybe. No, that's not, because we have all these things about to happen. We gotta fight the things while that thing's gonna do its fancy tricks killing us.
That's the best part, Bubble.
Yeah, that's a triple plus.
Yeah.
Yeah! Helicopter! Die, you vehicular device that flies on its own.
Oh! Just get hit in the face by a tree.
Ow! Getting shot by a helicopter, followed by a tank. Turning into a fucking flamethrower. And 1, 2, 3, 4 helicopters chasing after me. I'm having a hell of a time, Bubba.
It's okay, I took one down. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Bubble, it's doing its thing. Oh!
Run.
Oh my
God!
god!
Jesus!
I'm dead.
The train is on it today. Oh boy, I gotta save you.
You better be careful.
It's up to me. It's up to me. Get up!
Run!
It's a clusterfuck up in here.
Like, I got hit by 4 or 5 things before I finally died.
I know, I saw that. We're in this pain circle.
Speaking of pain circles, I better stay out of it.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Did you see that? It almost charged. Die, helicopter, die. Die for me, please. Please. There we go. So she's dead. Oh, it's pissed. Shot twice. It's dead.
Oh!
Dead. I killed another helicopter. Did you kill the last remaining steamroller?
I think so, but
Okay.
took a heavy
we got
hit.
Tank. We got a tank. It's under Mom. It's under Mama. Mama train.
Oh. So retarded how they just stay near it like it's protection. You're a fucking fortified, armored piece of shit. Why are you hiding under a train?
And they just shoot at you from under it like.
Oh!
It's a good thing I'm way over here. That's a nuke. That's a nuke.
Wait, what?
Right there.
Oh.
It's under Mom.
Bobo, I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it.
Oh, no, I gotta get out of here.
I don't even see the tank anymore. It's still under Mom, but there it is.
Shooting.
I
at you
got
as
it.
It's under. I like I was just sitting there peeking out like.
It's like that bratty child you want to beat the shit out of because it told on you. Something.
That's all that matters. Killed it.
Yes, we did.
That was a little bit more scary than last time. Well, this has been my first video. I'm gonna say goodbye to the camera. Want to say goodbye to the camera, Bobo?
Yeah.
Sure, okay, wait. I'm gonna find the buy button. Where is it? Is it looping? No. It's actions. Wave. Goodbye!
Bye-bye.